Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding widgets to your Samsung phone's home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on an empty part of your home screen until this menu appears. Then tap Widgets at the bottom of the page. Scroll down to see which apps you can make into a widget. Tap on the app that you would like to make into a widget. Some apps will have a few different widget options. Tap on the one that you would like to use and then tap Add. When the widget is on your home screen, you can hold down on it and tap Settings to edit the way it looks. You can change it into dark mode, change the opacity, and with certain apps there may be other settings you can change too. Tap Save to save the changes. You can hold down on the widget and tap Create Stack to create a stack of widgets. Find the other app that you would like to add, then tap Add. You can now swipe between the two widgets. You can hold down on the stack and tap Edit Stack. You can then tap the minus icon to remove widgets from the stack, or swipe to the right and tap the plus to add more widgets to the stack. At the bottom here, you can turn the toggle on or off to rotate the widgets in the stack. You can also change the settings on the other widgets in the same way as with the first. You can hold down on the widget or widget stack and move them to a different location on your home screen, the same as with apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.